Picture a giraffe. You see a calm leaf eater on stilts, right? Wrong. Hidden inside that postcard image is a mammal with blood pressure double yours, a heart the size of a bowling ball, and a neck that doubles as a sledgehammer. It's a creature of extreme biology, defying what we think we know about anatomy and physics. Stick around. In the next few minutes, the tallest animal on Earth is about to become the most unbelievable. Let's start with that magnificent neck. It has just 7 neck bones, same as you, only each one is nearly a foot long. That's some serious cervical extension. A single, incredibly strong elastic ligament, known as the nuchal ligament, runs from skull to tail like a giant bungee cord, holding the whole thing up without constant muscle strain. It's an engineering marvel, allowing them to effortlessly reach the highest leaves. But don't let its grace fool you. When a giraffe swings that 10-foot lever in combat, the tip moves faster than a major league fastball. Try that with your cervical spine. That extraordinary neck needs a turbocharged pump to get blood all the way up there. At 11 kilograms, the giraffe heart fires a bathtub of blood every 3 minutes at a pressure twice what would hospitalize a human. It's an incredible feat of biology, essential for pushing blood 10 feet up to their brain against gravity. Yet the animal never suffers heart failure because its left ventricle wall is over 3 centimeters thick, evolution's own pressure vessel. This isn't just about raw power. Recent research reveals how giraffes have evolved unique cardiovascular adaptations to prevent the heart stiffness and failure often seen in humans with similar heart hypertrophy. This allows them to maintain high exercise capacity, crucial for escaping predators. No engineer would dare copy the design, yet it works flawlessly for 25 years in the savanna heat. Now, imagine lowering that head 10 feet to drink. For us, that should burst capillaries in the brain, or at least cause a massive blackout. Instead, a rete of valves and expandable vessels clamps down like airport runway lights, precisely regulating blood flow and pressure, keeping things constant. Stand up too fast and you see stars. A giraffe stands up and sprints at 60 kilometers an hour within seconds. Free blackout? Not a chance. This rapid recovery is absolutely vital for a creature that needs to be constantly aware of predators. Forget lone giants. That's a myth we need to bust right now. Giraffes, especially the females, live in a dynamic, intricate fission-fusion soap opera. Mums, aunties, and sisters form stable, often decades-long childcare clubs, creating deep, kin-based bonds. They even park their calves in creches, cared for by babysitting adults. Proof that cooperative breeding isn't just for lions and elephants. Meanwhile, roaming males act like matchmaking couriers, stitching populations together as they search for mates, facilitating vital gene flow across wider areas. These aren't random groupings. Their social complexity implies sophisticated communication and interaction, a far cry from the solitary image many of us hold. Each giraffe's coat pattern is unique from birth, like a fingerprint, and perfectly tuned to the dappled light of the savanna. It turns a 6-meter body into a floating puzzle piece in the trees, making them incredibly difficult to spot, despite their size. But there's more to those patterns. Under ultraviolet light, the patches glow, possibly helping calves follow mothers through tall grass. Camouflage plus built-in GPS. Take that, Wi-Fi. Leaves are notoriously low-caliber fuel, especially the tough, thorny acacia leaves giraffes favor. So, these gentle giants ferment them in a 4-chambered stomach over 70 meters of intestine. The process takes up to 70 hours, squeezing every last nutrient out of acacia thorns that would shred human gums. It's basically a mobile brewery producing energy instead of beer, allowing them to thrive on a diet most other herbivores can't touch, effectively reducing food competition. And what about birth? It's a literal 2-meter drop to the ground. The impact severs the umbilicus, inflates the lungs, and jump-starts the heart without any veterinary assistance. It's a brutal welcome, but incredibly efficient. Within an hour, the newborn stands taller than most people, dodging predators at adult chest height. First exam? Survival. Pass mark. 100%. But here's the real cliffhanger. Silent extinction. Giraffe numbers have plummeted 30% in just 3 decades, split into isolated pockets across Africa. Protecting their ancient highways between parks keeps those super hearts, spy network societies, and dizzy-proof brains on Earth. The tallest survivor still needs us looking up and acting to ensure their future. So, next time you scroll past a giraffe photo, remember the hidden engineering marvel. A skyscraper body powered by a pressure washer heart, piloted by a brain that refuses to faint, wrapped in social intrigue worthy of primetime drama. Evolution took extreme measures to build nature's tallest survivor, blending incredible physical adaptations with complex social strategies. Now it's our turn to make sure the blueprint sticks around. If these revelations already rewrote what you thought you knew, consider the subscribe button your ticket to the next episode, where we crack the code of the okapi, the giraffe's secret forest cousin. One click keeps the weird biology coming.